everyone. I hope you're having a great day or night wherever you are. And if you're new to this channel, do like, share, and subscribe. So, today we will be talking about what are the key benefits and, in my opinion, the most important benefits of reading and why you should definitely read. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, I have listed 5 most important benefits of reading, although there are more than that. To make this video a little quick one, we will focus on the most important ones. So, the number one benefit of reading is definitely increased focus and memory and even your critical thinking. When you start reading a book, you are more likely to get into the story and you are more into the character sketches and how a character has been designed and how the plot is going, how the story is progressing through the entire book. Needless to say, it keeps you focused. And the kind of focus that you gain by reading a book, you will see that it automatically applies to everything you are going to do next. So, I personally have felt this change in me when I was reading, and rather, I was reading rigorously and regularly, and it has brought a lot of memory space in my brain than usual, and it has also improved my focus. So, number two is perception building, and this is my favorite one. So, when you are reading a book, you are actually looking at somebody else's imagination, or you're looking at somebody else's life, or even if you're reading a self help book, you are reading somebody else's opinions or approaches to life, and it's like you are reading somebody else's life or somebody else's imagination. You are living a different kind of life through somebody else's eyes, and you're looking at the world through someone else's eyes. Here, someone else is the author, definitely. It literally builds a variety of perceptions that you can later on apply to different situations in your life. I'm not saying that you should definitely do whatever you have read. No, not at all. But it definitely, gives you more ideas to, choose a perception. That perception is the most powerful tool at humans' disposal. So it helps you in perception building. Moving on to number three. So let's face it, you know a lot of stuff after you read. And when you are reading, you come across a lot of theories. You may also come across a lot of uh, facts that you have never known. Maybe you're interested in reading historical books, or you are interested in reading a life story of some person who is not anymore in this world, maybe, or you are reading somebody else's autobiography. So now that you know a lot of stuff, you can definitely choose a lot of things in your life as per your interest as well. And it's always good to have a good knowledge base. Fourth most important benefit is improved expression and communication. Like, you won't deny it that when you read multiple books, you tend to find a lot of expressions. You tend to find different ways to say the same thing in your mind. Start thinking differently in your mind about your own thoughts, and it really helps you find the correct words to actually explicitly explain what you are thinking, and naturally improves your communication with your group setting, with your friends, your family, your relations. Like, it will help, you will see once you start. Fifth is the most important one, and it is linked to a lot of other ways of living life, but because it is just a video to keep the benefits of the book, I would keep it simple. And the fifth most important benefit of reading a book is your imagination. And there is no doubt your imagination really expands. Reading books makes a person imaginative, and a human is only different from all the other living beings because they can imagine their lives. They can imagine a lot of things which may have not existed in front of them first, but they can imagine it in their brain, before bringing it into the reality. So, a lot of books contain a lot of imagery. If you are someone who spends a lot of time in nature and also is a keen observer of the world around you, you will know that reading actually enhances your power to retain that imagination. If you know what I mean. Uh, for example, like visualization is a technique to, you know, achieve your dreams and goals. I'd rather not get into that topic, but just to touch upon it, if you read immensely and if you also observe the world around you very carefully, you will know that you have a vivid imagination and you can visualize almost anything very vividly. It just helps in your imagination a lot. And if you are someone who wants to do some creative stuff, maybe write a book for yourself, or you also want to create art, you will know that it has its own mental benefits. Now, to sum it up, I would like to tell you that reading is also a very, very nice way to escape the mental issues that people are having nowadays. And I read it on Reddit that a lot of people during the quarantine, during the war, have actually got themselves through by reading a lot of books. In my opinion, stick to reading beautifully written books. Nowadays, if you know that mental health is a rising issue, a lot of disturbing stuff is everywhere, almost literally everywhere. So rather keep all that shut and open a book and read it so that you can imagine good stuff for yourself. I hope you enjoy this video, and if it helps, do let me know. So I'll see you in the next video, and till then, have a great time. Bye.